Welcome to the Mailer Lite Magic. This is Ruthie Gray from ruthiegray.mom. And today we're going to talk about segmenting when people click on a link within your email. This is for you, Lillian. You know who you are. First, go to where it says automation on your dashboard. And I want to show you first what I did. Let's see if I can. Oh, I can't do that, can I? Oh, okay. So what I did was I created a workflow 21 because last week I did a series called 5 Days to a Healthier You. But I wanted, in this series I was featuring the Ultimate Bundle flash sale, but I wanted to give my readers a chance to opt out without me having to go back and take them out manually. The way I do this is I create a page on my blog and publish it, but just don't, it's still secret. It's not, no one can see it. And then I copy the link, and the link will say something like, no thanks to the Ultimate Bundles flash sale. Then I copy that link, that is a URL, and then I can make that into a workflow. So you go over to automation, see at the top here, and then I just named it something very unobtrusive like workflow 21, which was dumb. But anyway, if you go into workflow 21, it says when subscriber clicks a link, and the link is no thanks to the 5 Days to a Healthier Body, Mind, and Soul series. And you'll see, you can click edit. And that's all I did, because these people are eventually going to, they're from my original series. They are my original readers, and so they will stay on my list, but they will not be in this series of emails. So what I did was, when a subscriber clicks a link, that was my trigger action, then remove from the group 5 Days to a Healthier You. Got it? Does that make sense? Let me show you how. I have my 5 Days to a Healthier You. Here's that series, okay? And incidentally, if you edit during a series, it may not work for you unless you completely turn it off, and then you may lose some of your people in your queue, but we can talk about that later. What I did was, I believe I put it on day 3. Go down here to edit email content. And I had this little statement right, oh, where is it? Oh, shoot. I'm in the wrong thing. Never mind. Okay, done editing. See, I was promoting the flash sale last week, so then I wanted to continue, though, to let this be a little, just a generating email list that people were interested in. So it is still running. I just took all my links out of it. So let me go to, I had a bunch of people not make it in. They didn't for some reason. I think it was because I was editing on the workflow while the workflow was working, and some of the people that joined didn't get their emails, which was very sad. So I had to make another email flow series. And here is the statement. Each day this week I'm sharing about the Ultimate Bundle flash sale. If you don't want to participate, please click here to be removed. Let me show you something really cool that you can do with this. Okay, this is day 3, I believe. I'm just saying that to make a mental note to myself. Okay, so day 3, and you can tell it's black still. So if I click on this, I can preview or send a test email over here. Isn't that cool? So let me just preview. I like to test all of my links before I send them out, and when I don't, guess what? It always shoots me in the foot. Let me click on this link and show you where it goes. It goes to my website. No thanks to the email series. Okay, no thanks to the 5 Days to a Healthier You Body, Mind, and Soul series. And the reason that I did it like that was because you need to have a URL for it. Make sense? You have to have a URL for them to be able to click for you to go in and make those changes. And how you make that automation for a change, I'll show you in the next email. In the next Mailer Lite magic. Ooh, ooh.